Hello, I'm Tim and welcome to Team News. Today we open the program with very bad news. The ancient monuments are getting damaged via acid rain. Today we will ask our best scientists to explain it for us. We'll leave you with them.
We are going to do an experiment. First, we are going to recreate the acid rain. Second, we see its effects on ancient monuments and exterior of buildings.
For that, we are going to need beakers, ice, aluminum paper, chalk, thumbtack, matches, and piece of paper.
First, we are going to burn a piece of paper and introduce it. And introduce it into the beaker.
Then quickly we put the aluminum paper, and then we need to do a small holes in the aluminum paper.
We can see that the beaker starts to fill up pollution gases. Now we put an ice on top of it.
After a short while, it will start to rain. If this liquid reacts and it forms the acid rain.
We can understand in this simulation that the burnt paper, which is what releases the gases, represents a factory. The aluminum paper represents the atmosphere, and the drops represent the acid rain.
Therefore, we can understand the acid rain has a reaction of the water with the environment pollution.
Now we can see its effects on ancient monuments and facades. We have got a nice amount of water after repeating the previously method.
For it, we put the chalk. We put the chalk in the liquid that we obtained previously.
As we can see, the chalk starts to erode because of the acid. That's what happens in the nature. Every time rains, the ancient monuments deteriorate a little. We can't see the effects, but in the future we have extensive damage.
And this is the formula.
Thanks guys, I knew we could always count on you. Now we move on to the sports.